Ah, Good afternoon, everyone. Ayan, hawak ko ngayon yung libro na New Beginning. One of my favorite books. It's actually a devotional and sobrang maganda and I can relate to this book. Especially that it says the new beginnings. So God is giving us always new opportunities and new beginnings. On my case, for example, I've fallen, yeah, maybe. I could say from the success part and I failed. But my failure is actually not a failure. Maybe the devil wants to destroy me, but God has used this opportunity for me to reflect, which is more important. The most important is not the material things, but our relationship with Him. So I think Romans 8:28, all things work together for good to those who love Him and are called according to His purpose. So one of these lesson here is don't lose your way. And it's the passage from Psalm 25 verses 4 to 5, and it says, "Show me your ways, O Lord. Teach me your paths. Guide me in your truth and teach me. For you are my God. You are God, my Savior." Sabi doon, show me your ways. Madami na akong pinagdaanan sa buhay at minsan kala ko okay na, alam ko na yung daan. Dahil, dinaanan ko na to last time. Pero iba yung daan ni Lord eh. Iba yung pamamaraan niya. Sabi din, "Oh Lord, teach me your paths." So there's humility in my heart that, Lord, hindi ko pala lahat alam. Maybe I learned something, but I don't know everything, Lord. So give me your direction. Show me your path. And then guide me in your truth and teach me. Now, many people will tell you what to do, what they believe, their opinion. But whom are we listening to? Are we listening to the people or are we listening to God? Then for you are God, my Savior. So in times of distress, in times of failures, in times of disappointments and discouragement, we have to always acknowledge that God is the ultimate source of wisdom. So ngayon, sabi ko I can relate to this story, to this book. During the time of this quietness, of the solitude, actually mag-isa lang ako dito sa pwesto ko na to, dito na rin ako nakatira, dito ako natutulog, I do all my things here. But the most important thing is, I realize that God is with me. And His presence always goes with me. And I'm grateful to the Lord that despite of this drought financially, these failures, the setbacks, and the struggles, but you know what? These things that I've experienced are a wake-up call of God. Do not rely on my own understanding and my own knowledge, but always to keep on trusting Him with all my heart. That's what it says in Psalm chapter 3 Proverbs 3 verses 5 to 6. Okay? So, good afternoon everyone, and sabi nitong title, don't lose your way. So always, let's keep our ways on the ways of the Lord. So God bless you, and I hope to hear your stories as well.